white monolith lays still. The camera glides along the PlayStation 5 sculpted outer shell, pausing at the subtle dust-catching vents, an intentional design, channeling debris away to prolong the console's lifespan. Smooth overlays mark the shell's layered construction, hinting at Sony's philosophy, endurance through both form and function. With a gentle motion, the shell parts to reveal a massive, sweeping fan, its 120mm blades dominating the frame. Designed for silent efficiency, this fan pulls cool air through every chamber, while a labyrinthine heatsink absorbs and dissipates heat along a carefully engineered airflow path. On-screen text notes, airflow is sculpted, not left to chance. A slow pan unveils the heart of the machine, the motherboard and its central APU, bonded to a shimmering pool of liquid metal. This exotic cooling choice, rare in consumer electronics, offers superior thermal transfer, keeping the PS5's custom silicon performing at its peak. Nearby, the power supply's shielded form and the storage expansion bay are highlighted, each component strategically placed for heat management and future upgrades. Every step, every layer, is a solution to the eternal challenge of performance versus heat. As the camera lingers on the liquid metal interface, a closing caption appears: "One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem." The mystery of the PS5's cool composure endures, by design.